Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Telegram SMSP problem. First, I open the Telegram app and try to log in with my personal number. I enter my number and it asks me to choose a Google account. I select one of my Gmail account and as you can see, it shows an SMSP. Now let's fix that. Now uninstall Telegram and install it again. Then open the app and enter a different number from another network provider. Earlier, I used an Airtel SIM and now I am using a Dialog SIM. For this method, you will need the new SIM card. After entering the new number, I select the new Gmail account that I haven't used before. This time, it says that the code has been sent. The new SIM card is in another phone, so I receive the call there and enter the code here. Once I enter the code, my account is successfully created. I hope this video helps you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.